Let's go ahead and factor 2x squared minus 11x plus 5. So one of the things that we did notice is we have a leading coefficient of 2, and we have no greatest common factor, so we are going to have to do that second step with our area model. So the first thing you want to do is remember that the top is what you multiply to get to, and that's going to be your 2 times 5. And so this is where the 10 comes in, and then this is the negative 11. So we want to say what numbers will multiply to get you positive 10, but will add to get you to negative 11. And we have negative 10 and negative 1. Negative 10 times negative 1 is positive 10, and negative 10 plus negative 1 will give you to negative 11. So let's go over here and we'll fill in. We have negative 10x and negative 1x. And then we're going to have 2x squared and 5. So then let's take a look at these right here. So we have 2 and negative 10. Common factor is 2. X squared and x, your common factor is x. Negative 1 and 5, your common factor is 1. Over here, you have 2 and negative 1. There's nothing common there, but you have x squared and x, so you have a common factor of x. And then you have negative 10 and 5, and your common factor will be 5. So we are looking at 2x and a 1 and an x and a 5. And because we have a positive, these both need to be negative because we have a negative here. So adding will give us that negative 11, and multiplying will give us that positive 5.